So, second part, rearranging formula, but now they're a bit more tricky, and I want us to see what we can do with these ones and just see how we do. So let's start with this nice colour here. So remember, I'm trying to always write them into this form here. That's what I'm trying to get to. We just see it down the bottom here. Let's lift it up. That's where I'm trying to get to. So how do I get there? Well, let's look at this first one. I want to get rid of the x, and I need to reduce that to 1, don't I? So let's do that. Now, first of all, you don't do the timesing or dividing first, you do the adding and taking away. And here I've got an add. So I want to take it away from both sides. If I do that, I'm left with 2y equals minus x plus 10, or 10 minus x. Now, I need to get rid of the times by 2, which means I divide both sides by 2. So here goes. Minus x is minus 1, so minus 1, forget the minus to begin with, 1 divided by 2 is a half, so it's minus a half x plus 5. So I end up with the line it's messy, which is maybe why they like writing it like that, but there we go. Now let's try this one and see what we get. So again, I've got now all 3 things on here, and I need 2 of them over there. You might think about moving that, but don't. That's a plus. It makes it a lot easier if we just leave it where it is to begin with. So let's just do this. Let's get rid of these 2. I guess that one first. Minus 3 over 2x on both sides. So I end up with 3y plus 12 equals minus 3 over 2x. It looks confusing, it looks complicated, but take each step slowly and you're fine. Get rid of the 12. So now I know some people at this point will start having a wobbly because they see all these fractions, but don't worry. I'm going to get rid of the times by 3 by dividing both sides by 3. So that becomes y. Now, x times 3 divided by 3 divided by 2 divided by 2. Actually, you look at this, they will cancel out. So 3 over 2 divided by 3, the 3's will cancel out. What is a third of 3 over 2? Just 1 over 2. Try it on your calculator. And then 12 divided by 3 is 4. That's a minus. And what we can see here is actually these 2 are parallel. They're parallel because they have the same gradients. This one will be above that one because that cuts at 5, this cuts at 4. So if we were sketching it, then it would cut at the minus 4 and the 5, but they would both be parallel because of these gradients.